Everybody is spectacular. And what do you say when you are wonderful, you're spectacular in French? What is that? What is the word then? The word is formidable.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci. Et vous?
Très bien, très bien.
Ça va bien.
Okay, children, you were curious to know that why you have to join this French class when it's your maths period, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am. None of you has noticed this thing that there is no French period in your timetable. Did you all notice this?
There is.
When?
There is.
When?
Ma'am, on Saturday. Ma'am, tomorrow. On Saturday.
Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Of 6C.
Ma'am, yes, Saturday's second period. Yes, ma'am. Saturday second period.
Beta, okay, just hold on. I'll just check. If it is so, then you can go back to your go back and join your maths class. Probably there is some confusion. Just wait. I'll just confirm in my timetable.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, students. It's of 6th A, not your class. That's of 6th A.
Ma'am, but in our timetable, it is given second period, Saturday French.
Yes, yes. It's your Saturday second period.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which class is this? 7C.
And 6C.
In my timetable, it's 7th C. I don't have any class of 7C. Oh, sorry, 6C in my timetable of French.
Ma'am, but we have. Ma'am, but we have.
So have I taken any class with you so far?
No, ma'am.
No, that is the only reason why I have not taken is, see, now we are coming across such a big thing. Saturday second period.
Get an arrangement.
Yes?
Every time we used to get an arrangement.
Yes, that's there. Now this is such a big confusion that I don't have any class in 6A also and I don't have any class in 6C also. It has to be rectified. Your exams are coming close and I haven't taken any class, any Zoom class with you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Taken an arrangement class, I think, on Monday. Yes, ma'am. An arrangement class with 6th B. Ma'am, like we had an arrangement with you. It was A. Okay, it was A. Sir.
I don't know. I'll talk to Divya ma'am about it. Now tell me, you want to go back to your French class? Oh, sorry, to your maths class, or you want to continue with the French class?
Ma'am, first I joined with maths only.
Yes, we are going to study French today. There is a lot of confusion.
Okay, ma'am.
Chinmay Verma says that he wants to go back to his maths class.
Ma'am, because he loves maths.
Now, Chinmay, I'm going to ask you so many questions.
But sir said that only Sanskrit students will join maths.
Yes, only Sanskrit students.
Ma'am, I have no problem in both the subjects.
Yes. Maths you are doing daily. Chinmay, what's wrong?
Yes, ma'am, it's daily.
Yes, daily you have a
Ma'am,
maths
I have
period.
many problems in French.
Okay. Come ahead with your problems. Tell me. Since your exams are coming
first
close.
Let me take out.
Yes?
Ma'am, first let me take out my book. I was ready with maths.
Yes. Go and get your books, beta. Till then, I'll mark your attendance. And just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students are here in French class. What about others?
Ma'am, the Chinmay is saying it's reason that as per my mother, I must do maths daily.
What is the reason, beta?
Ma'am, as per his mother,
okay.
he must do maths daily.
But ask your mother when you have taken French, should you not do it even once in a week? Should it not be
we should do.
right? So once in a week you should do French also.
Okay, ma'am.
Chinmay, Pranit, Amesha, Rudransh. Who else is here? Kavya Kapoor. And Satvik. And Sarthak. Sarthak, are
Me,
you,
Satvik, Amisha, Chinmay, Pranit, Rudra, and Sarthak.
Sarthak, are you Saksham's brother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ma'am, every teacher calls him that Saksham only.
Yes. Sometimes siblings are a real confusion for teachers. Okay. So who has what problem? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't remember a single word from these chapters.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, me
That's
too.
such an amazing thing.
Ma'am, me too.
Ma'am, we haven't been studying French from almost 3 weeks.
Yes, you have not studied.
Ma'am,
And you
since
were
the
not
exams
bothered.
got over, we have
Did you inform Smriti ma'am about it? None of you did.
Ma'am, we thought that you were like
Ma'am,
not
we thought you
well
were
or
ill.
something.
My God, you made me ill for no reason.
Ma'am, I
You thought I got
ma'am, that-
corona infected, huh?
Ma'am, I was corona infected, actually.
No, ma'am, not like that.
Oh, good to have you back.
Ma'am, he's so happy about it.
You have
Ma'am, everyone was saying this only. Ma'am, that you have got corona. Everyone was saying this only.
Who is
No,
that
ma'am,
everyone?
ma'am,
I
nobody
want to
was
listen.
saying
Who
that.
is
Ma'am,
that
nobody
everyone?
was saying
No
this.
one was saying that.
Ma'am, I have listened that people are forgetting maths formulas, but I have listened first time that a person is forgetting his doubt.
No, he's saying he has forgotten everything. He doesn't remember even a single word of French.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay. So
Ma'am, I
what is-
remember the basics, but not the like all of them.
Yes, yes. So
Ma'am,
what is
me
the
too.
syllabus, children?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
syllabus.
the
Lecon
syllabus
3
is
and Lecon
chapter
4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Chapter
Le
3 and
Copa
chapter 4.
and Le Devine.
Yes. So in this chapter 3 and chapter 4, I am just going to revise the main points of the chapter. The important things of this chapter.
As ma'am, we have already written this in the half-yearly.
But we have not done 4th chapter in the half-yearlies. We only
Yes,
did
ma'am.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes, ma'am.
0, 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth chapter. Ma'am, we have done fourth chapter.
Beta, it was not included in half-yearlies.
In notebook.
Yes,
Ma'am,
we
but
have
in
done
note-
it.
Third
we have
chapter
done.
was also not included in half yearlies.
Which
Ma'am,
one?
third chapter was also not there.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it was
chapter.
Lecon 0,
1 and 2.
0, 1 and 2.
Leçon 0 or A2.
Zekro,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, everybody open your copies and you are going to write the important things that I'm going to tell you. Okay.
Ma'am, submitted.
Do it in a rough copy. Do it in your activity, French activity copy.
French activity.
Last year's copy.
Ma'am, I don't
Ma'am,
have
last year copy I submitted to you, but I don't know it left in the school. And
It
I
is with
didn't
me.
went
It is
to
with me.
school.
I can show it to you on the camera.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
please show.
activity copy is also with you.
I don't know how many, but I have a few activity copies lying with me.
Ma'am, I didn't even take French activity last year.
Ma'am,
Yes, it was only Amesha and Satvik from this class. And
Ma'am,
Ridhima
Ridhima
also.
The
Yes.
great students who always
Ma'am,
forget
I was
everything.
from 5th day. Now I am 6C.
Yes. Ridhima is in which section?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
6C
hours
only.
only.
6C.
Yes, ma'am, hours only.
But
Ma'am, can you
Ridhima,
please wait for
I
1 minute?
have taken classes with Ridhima. I remember that Ridhima has been on Zoom classes with me. From which class would she be?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
hours only.
there is one Ridhima in 7.
7th
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Who is that Ridhima
Ma'am,
who got
Ridhima,
her
Ridhima.
haircut done?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, our class Ridhima is like looking like a boy these days.
Yes, I'm talking about the same girl,
ma'am.
children. I'm talking
I
about
think,
the
ma'am,
same
she is an
Ridhima. I
actress.
remember her face.
Ma'am, maybe you would have taken class on Monday.
Monday? Beta, Monday I don't have any period now. I have it. I
Ma'am,
have
a
it with.
substitution class was
I
there on
have it
Monday.
with 6th day. Is Ridhima in 6th day?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, she's in 6th.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we had an arrangement with 6A. Ma'am,
Maybe,
with you
maybe.
and
Maybe there was an arrangement, so I took.
Ma'am, tomorrow is also there a class with you.
Tomorrow, who has a class? Where?
Ma'am, you had a class, no? It's an in our timetable it is written second period your class, but in your timetable it is not there.
Yes, it is.
yes,
not
ma'am.
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Okay. So now let's come back to the key points, the main points of this chapter 3. Now this chapter 3 has one very important thing, that is the eth verb.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
And ma'am, from all these things, I have been taking tension that how will I do French? I don't remember a single thing.
Very nice. And I was so worried about
Ma'am,
you all.
I remember.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
eth
I
verb.
remember.
What do you remember?
All the things which you taught.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, you told us about the eth verb and the last class, ma'am, I remember which you told.
What?
What you told us. Ma'am, in the last class, you were revising the chapter 3 and you were telling us about and
Yoon.
Yoon.
Very good.
Yoon.
Okay. So let's move to the next chapter then. Let's move to chapter number 4. Now children,
Ma'am,
one
I
thing
didn't
very
take the
important.
arrangement class.
Yes. Now
Ma'am,
see Ridhima
ma'am,
is
you
here.
were
Ma'am, I didn't take
Ridhima
the
is here.
arrangement class. I was not well that time.
Who wasn't well?
I'm me, Pranit.
Now you are fine.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Now
Ridhima
I'm
is here
fine. But I
now.
didn't take the last class, that arrangement class.
Okay. Now, please, everybody open your copies, children. We have very less time left. Let's not waste time now. See, one thing very important of the chapter, devine. What does devine mean? Devine means to guess. Now, when they say devine, they are asking us to make a guess. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Now, there are questions that you put up when you want to ask somebody about something or someone. What are those questions? Those questions are like, suppose I have
Ma'am,
something.
qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est ça?
Wait,
Ma'am, qu'est-ce
when
que
I
c'est
have,
and
suppose
qui
I
est
have
ça?
something in my hand, right? Something in my fist, and I will say you to make a guess. So what will I say? What is it?
Ma'am,
Guess
qu'est-ce
what
que
is
c'est?
it?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Beta, let me speak, please, Kavya.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So I will ask you, what is it? Or if I have more than one thing, I will ask you, what are these? But when in French, we put up a question like this, what is this and what are these? The question is the same. In English, we have singular question and a plural question. What is this and what are these if they are more than one? But in French, the question is just one. And the question is, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Look at
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
look at line number 2, page number 47.
47.
Page number 47, line 2, dialogue number 2.
Ma'am,
Manual.
Mercy, pick up Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Yes. Merci beaucoup. Anish, qu'est-ce que
Anish,
c'est?
qu'est-ce que c'est?
Now, how do we write qu'est-ce que c'est? That is very important. Underline this thing and learn to write qu'est-ce que c'est. Clear? Then, the first dialogue, first thing that Anish says is bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire is what? Happy birthday.
Anniversary.
No.
Birthday.
Yes.
Okay.
Mark it. Now,
Birthday.
if in your exams you are going to reply what is bon anniversaire, if you write happy anniversary, you will get a 0
Okay,
because
ma'am.
it means happy birthday. Then when you want to ask what it is, how do you ask? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
See.
But the question is same for singular and plural. But the answer is not the same. If I
Yes,
have one pen, I will say, c'est un stylo. What will I say? This is
C'est un
a
stylo.
pen. If I have two pens, I will say, these are pens. These are pens. And c'est un becomes ce sont des. C'est un becomes ce sont des.
Ce sont des.
Yes. Now, if I have one pen, I will say c'est un stylo. If I have two pens, I will say ce sont des
Ce
stylos.
sont des stylos.
Ce sont des stylos.
Des
Okay.
stylos.
So one question and two
Ma'am, the
different.
spelling of sasson is ma'am C.
See, it's given. Wait. Anish's dialogue 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth dialogue. Fifth dialogue. No, ce sont des chocolats.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when we have something in plural, we change the indefinite article also that is placed before a noun. When
How do you pronounce third and fourth dialogues?
I will tell you. Now, when Anish says, qu'est-ce que c'est? Sorry, when Manuel says, thank you, thanks a lot, Anish. What is this? Anish replies, c'est un cadeau. See, Anish has got something in his hand when he enters his house. Anish says, c'est un cadeau, which means it is a gift. When he has one gift in his hand, he is saying, c'est un cadeau. Then Anish just makes a guess and asks, c'est un livre? Is it a book? See, there is a question mark. That means he is just making a guess. Is it a book? Then what does Anish reply? No. These are chocolates. These are chocolates. Now, when he replies about it in plural, he changes c'est un to ce sont.
Ma'am, what is the dialogue number?
Dialogue number
4.
Dialogue number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C'est un livre. C'est un livre.
C'est un livre.
C'est
Ma'am,
un
can
livre
we
means
also pronounce? Ma'am, can we also? Ma'am, that means that seta it is like it is. So, ma'am, we can use seta in different things.
yes, it can be used in different things. See, let's forget French. Let's come back to English. In English, if I say it is a pen, it is a pen. I am just giving you a statement. I'm just telling you something. Now, if I bring that in my tone, it is a pen. What is it? Now I am questioning you. So similar, when he asks, c'est un livre, and he has put a question mark. The same sentence can be used as a statement. The same sentence can be used as a question. Clear?
Ma'am, we
Okay,
just have to put a question mark
Yes.
to show.
You just have to put a question
Ma'am, so
mark.
cessor can be used anywhere where it's appropriate.
Ce sont will be used whenever you are talking about something in plural. Something, the object has to be in plural. Then only you will say ce sont.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then Manuel says, c'est gentil. Now what is c'est gentil? Oh, that's so sweet. That's so kind. Okay. A-L, qui est ce? Now, when you talk about something, in English also, when we talk about things, we say, what is it? But when we talk about somebody, we don't say, what is it? We say, who is it? Right? If I get somebody along with me in the class, will you ask, ma'am, what is this? No, you will ask, Ma'am, who is it? So what is that who in French? Who in French is qui. QUI stands for who. Write it down. QUI stands for who. And a sir is who is it or who is this.
Ma'am, what do we pronounce as this whole? Who is it?
Qui est ce? Qui est ce? Yes, qui est ce? Now, when you speak it in a flow, you say qui est ce?
Ma'am, in the second last line, ma'am, you said ma'am, c'est gentil. So ma'am,
Say gentil. No, say gentil. It's not is not written anywhere, beta.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. This is what you wanted to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
The
say
pronunciation
gentil.
wanted to-
Then AL, what is ET? And she. Who is she? Who is it? C'est une amie. Now he says this is a friend. What is a friend called in French? A friend is called ami. I have typed in the
Ami.
chat box. AMI stands for a friend. But when you write AMIE, that becomes a female friend. Okay? A
Ma'am,
friend
means normal friend will be Ami, but
Normal
if we
friend.
put E,
a friend who is a boy is AMI, but if you're talking about a friend who is a girl, it will be AMIE. And if you want to
ma'am,
say
how will we pronounce both?
Ami, both are Ami.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen, when I want to say a friend, I'm talking about a boy, a friend. What will I say? An Ami. And if I'm talking about a friend who is a girl, what will it be? Une Ami. Can you see in the chat box?
Une army.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
An army, une army.
Ma'am, I'm able to see.
Unable to see.
I'm able to see.
Good. So, when the gender changes, gender of the noun changes, the article used before it also gets changed. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Turn your page to 48. 48 page number.
48.
Yes.
Ma'am, change
Changed.
the page.
Then, see, what is it? The question for what is this is qu'est-ce que c'est? Now they have given different replies. A chair is made and the reply is c'est une chaise. What is it? C'est une.
C'est une chaise.
Say you change.
Ça sont
Chaise.
des livres.
The saw they
That's
leave.
how they leave.
C'est
C'est ça
un
de
vélo.
livre.
C'est
C'est
un
un
vélo.
vélo.
Now the first
C'est
reply.
a vélo.
The first reply is for a feminine object. C'est une chaise.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
second reply is for a plural noun.
Many. Plural.
That is why they have used ce sont des. And the third one is for a masculine object.
Say a vélo.
Yes, ma'am.
C'est un vélo. C'est un vélo. Now, when
Okay,
they
ma'am.
ask qui est ce? See, if I ask you who is he, you will say he is a friend. He is a cousin, right? Whenever you will use a common noun, friend, cousin, brother, these are all what? Common nouns. So you will put a before it. Is that correct? But if you simply take name,
Yes, ma'am.
he is Ravi, you will not put any article before it. You will not say he is a Ravi. Okay? You will not say he is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
Rita. Right? Names do not take articles before them. Proper nouns do not take articles before them. Only common nouns will have articles before them. This is a friend. This
Okay,
is
ma'am.
a
Such as garçon.
garçon. Yes.
Ma'am, such as
It's a boy.
garçon, chaise,
No,
Well,
beta shell, we are not talking about non-living things. We are talking about living things here. We are
living
talking,
things.
yes, we are talking about the reply to who is it. है ना? Who में
Ma'am,
तो
like the
always
names
have-
of living things. Names
No,
of
not
living
living
things,
things,
they will
only
be not.
who is used
Okay, ma'am.
only in case of human beings. Now, this is one more
ma'am.
important point. Everybody write it down in your copies. Who is this? That is kiye sir is asked for human beings. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Animals and birds.
Wait, now write point number 2. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am,
What
what
is
was the point that you told before? Who is this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
asked for?
Who?
Ma'am, who is this? Ma'am, key is sir. So this is the first point which we have to write in the notebook.
Yes, this is
Ma'am,
the first
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
It is asked only in case of human beings.
Okay,
Correct?
ma'am.
Now, second point, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est is asked for non-living things,
Non-living things.
animals,
And birds.
birds,
And birds.
fruits, vegetables.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Who all they are asked?
Sorry?
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est is asked for?
It is asked for all non-living things, fruits and vegetables, birds and animals. Now, if I show you an apple, what will my question be?
Ma'am,
What is
qu'est-ce
the-
que c'est?
Yes. What
Qu'est-ce
is
que
this?
c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? If I show you a bird, suppose I have a parrot in my hand, what will my question be?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very nice. If I have a baby in my hand, what will my question be?
Qui est ça? Qui est ça?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then let's come on to fruits and vegetables. Now you have to learn
Ma'am,
this.
can you please wait for 1 minute?
Okay.
I was just writing.
Ma'am, after this, can you please explain chapter
Beta,
3 again?
listen to me. I had a class with you on Wednesday.
No, ma'am. On Monday.
No, ma'am.
There was an arrangement.
Ma'am, on
Monday, okay,
Wednesday there is
listen
no
to
class.
me, listen to me. On Wednesday, first period, you have of Hindi grammar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's your Hindi grammar period, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have never had a class with you on Saturday.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow there will be.
No, ma'am.
How will there be tomorrow? In my timetable, it is given 7C. How can I jump in 6C?
Ma'am, it's given 6th C.
In my
Ma'am, in third
timetable,
classes.
we teachers have also been given timetables. We have our personal timetable. So in my timetable, second period on Saturday is 7th C, not 6C.
Ma'am, third
Ma'am, so
period.
in your
Second period in. Ma'am, I think it's clashing. Ma'am, I think it's clashing.
Yes, it's clashing. But it's not clashing in
Ma'am,
my
so,
timetable.
ma'am, so in your
Ma'am, I
timetable,
think
we
it has
don't
to
have a
be
single
like-
period.
It has to be rectified.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think it's like our maths period has to be switched on Saturday, which is your period, and the French period should be today.
Yes, it should be.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, is this
Ma'am,
your
can you please explain the third chapter again?
third chapter, yes, I will explain you again. Only 10 minutes are left. You want me to do these vegetables, fruits and vegetables, or you will do it yourself? These are easy.
Ma'am, fruits and vegetables.
Okay, let
Ma'am,
me
please.
just read out these fruits and vegetables before you.
Yun banane.
Yun banan, yun banan,
Yun banan.
pom,
Yun pommy.
Yun
pom.
pom.
Repeat after me. An orange,
And
Orange.
yun
Yun
mong,
orange.
mom.
Yun mong.
Yun mong.
yun
Yun
papai,
mong. Yun papai.
Papai.
a raisin,
Razor.
yun cerise,
Yun
Yun
cerise.
cerise.
an ananas,
And ananas.
Ananas.
a lychee,
A lychee.
yun pastek,
Yun
Yun
pastel.
pastek.
yun fraise,
Yun fresh.
yun peach,
Yun
Yun
peach.
patch.
yun prune,
Yun prune.
yun dat.
Yun dat.
Dat.
Then next, des legumes. Des legumes is
Des
vegetables.
legumes.
Yun pomme de terre,
Yun
Yun
pomme
pomme
de
de
terre.
un concombre,
Concombre.
yun aubergine,
Yun aubergine.
Aubergine.
un piment,
A piment.
yun tomate,
Yun tomato.
Un tomate.
un chou,
A chou.
un petit pois,
A petit pois.
yun carotte,
Yun
carrot.
carrot.
un chou-fleur,
A chou-fleur.
and oignon, and haricot vert,
Haricot vert.
un poivron,
Poivron.
yun salade vert,
Yun salad vert.
un champignon,
A champignon.
un
Ma'am, what
champignon.
do we call yun salad in English?
Green salad.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we don't have class with you, so it would be free period.
It would? It is my free period.
It would be free period.
Beta, I
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
know. What did you do in the last Saturday, last to last Saturday? What did
Ma'am,
you all
it
do?
was an arrangement. Ma'am, every Saturday we get an
Ma'am, arrangement.
All right.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only on first Saturday there was the class, and ma'am, there was a network issue at your side, so ma'am, you were not able to send a link, and the else Saturday we were having holidays.
I don't know.
No.
Beta, I have a class with 7C. I have never had a class with you all. It is with 7C,
Ma'am,
so I have
wanted
been
to
regular.
ask.
Yes?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask what is yun prune in English?
Yun prune. Now, prune is which fruit? That's plum. A plum.
Ma'am, plum. Ma'am, what is yun haricot worth?
Green beans.
Okay, ma'am.
You have French beans?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
come to chapter number 3.
Ma'am, how will you pronounce a mango?
Yun mong.
Okay, ma'am.
Yun mong.
Ma'am, till how much the counting will come?
Counting. From where do we have numbers?
Ma'am,
Yes,
from
we have it till 100.
Ma'am, from 21 to 100.
0 to 100.
100?
Yes, 0 to 100. And I will not give you that only
Counting.
I will give you calculations.
Yay!
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but it's in the chapter. Calculations are in the chapter 2.
So what can't you
Yes, ma'am.
calculate? Is calculation is so difficult?
Ma'am, we can.
Ma'am,
We
Ma'am, we
can.
can.
ma'am, there will be subjective of French or not?
Algebra as in French.
Sarthak, what are you saying?
Ma'am, there
Ma'am,
will
he is
be
saying that
subjective
we
of
will have subjective of for French or not.
Objective. Google form.
Ma'am, please give
Okay,
algebra.
ma'am.
I suppose now I can give you a question like 20 times 3 equal to, and then I will give you 3 options.
I'm 60.
Usually 60.
Yes. So the question will also be in French. 20 fois 30 et, like that.
Wow.
Yes.
Don't worry, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
The
I just
question
have
very-
to learn 60,
Ma'am, don't
50,
worry.
70.
Satvik will get
ma'am, all.
full. Every child
No,
will
you
fail.
have to learn all the numbers. Like suppose the question is
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying that I have to learn all the 60, ma'am, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 100. Ma'am,
Yes.
rest all are like 1 to 20.
no, don't get confused, beta. See, look at number 70. Look at the line of 70s. How it comes. The line of 70 comes with the calculation of 60 plus 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again the line of
It's
90.
why like that.
Page number 51 and 52. Line of
Yes, ma'am.
90 to 100. The calculation is again 80 plus 11, 12,
22
13.
and 21.
13.
Yes. So don't get confused. It is not always 1 to 10. Now, very important
Ma'am,
thing.
we'll have to learn these words also. That are given in let us pronounce and let us learn.
Yes, everything. You have to learn everything from these 2 chapters.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, chapter number 3. One thing very important, children. How do you make plurals of nouns? There is a rule. The first rule is very simple by adding s. One is stilo, 2 are stilos. We have added an s, like in English, pen and pens. The second rule is we do not change the word. The words ending in s, x, and z remain the same. Only the article before these words gets changed. Suppose one nose. One nose is a nay. Now 2 will be they, nay. Nays will not get changed to nases. We will not add s. Nay remains
So in
nay.
first rule, we'll add just S, and in second rule, we'll change the articles.
We will change only the article. And this rule applies
Okay,
to
ma'am.
the nouns where we have the nouns ending with s, x, and z. 3 examples are given on page number 40 at the bottom. And the third rule is that there are a few words that end with EU and AU.
EAU and EU.
To make them plural, we add X in the end. These kind of words do not take S. What do they take? X. And the
Ma'am,
article
means
also
the
has to be changed.
Ma'am, only EU.
EU, AU, EAU.
Ma'am, means all the combinations. EU, EAU, and AU.
Yes. Read it, beta.
All
Page
these
number 3.
combinations.
Oh, sorry. Page number 41. Third point.
Ma'am, in these article will also change.
Yes,
and X will
article
also be added.
always changes. Article has to be changed always. If you don't change the article, it becomes wrong.
Okay, ma'am.